Look at that, FSD Beta 12 seems to be keeping track of the cars a lot better. Previously they'd kind of disappear as they went in front of other cars. For example, I wouldn't be able to see that car right as it crossed the front of the 4Runner in front of me. But there's a lot less disappearing going on here, so I realize it's not, seeing through the car, but it is, the functionality I think has been in there a while where it's predicting where these cars are going, but it's now showing that on the visualization screen. So cool to see. All right, going onto the freeway here, 45 through this curve, and I expect it will start speeding up here. 50, 55. So on auto speed, 60. It'll switch over to my speed offset in a second. 70, and we're on the speed offset now, so we know we're on the freeway. But yeah, great. V11 oftentimes had trouble getting out of the freeway, being at the right speed when we get in the freeway. This no problem. It accelerates just fine, and once I get onto the freeway, I'm going at freeway speed. So very cool.